Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Mandy Plans. Today we are going to review two planners from Planner Perfect, and as you can see, it's that time of the year again where you really start to think about the holidays. And I bought the Planner Perfect Christmas planner last year, and also this recipe book from Planner Perfect, and I just noticed that I only did a video about these two journals in German. So yeah, I was thinking, why not doing a review in English, and now I also can talk a little bit more in depth of using the Christmas planner and what I think about it. So well, I would say let's start with the Christmas planner. So this is just a beautiful product from Planner Perfect, I have to say. You can find the Christmas planner if you go to the website Designs by Planner Perfect. Then you will go to journals and Christmas journals, and if you're on the side where you can choose different Christmas covers, you can also go ahead and you will see that there's an option to choose the inside pages of your journal. And if you go to inside pages, you will see that there's popping up different options like 6 months again, errands pages, and Christmas planning pages. This is what I did. I choose this cover because I really adore this girl, and yeah, I feel like she kind of looks like me. So yeah, I was thinking that fits perfectly, and this is the back of it. So I show you the inside. This is the cover page, which I really love. It's so Christmassy. And then we have a gift list. And here you will see how I used it last year, 2020. You will have a lot of pages for gift recipients. Sorry if I misspell it. So you will get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pages, which is a lot. Then you will have stores to shop if you're out and about, or you can just name the store where you are going to buy the gifts. I just had Amazon as one of the online stores. I bought gifts last year, and some more pages. There are a lot. Then you will have handmade with love. So there will be a list for holiday treats, the nice list and the naughty list. And that's about the first pages. Then you will have a couple of empty pages. And then in the middle of the book is this beautiful print, and here it's supposed to be your journaling pages where you can journal about your Christmas time until the 25th or 26th of December. And now I'm going to tell you a little bit about how I used it and what worked, what didn't work. So For me, I really love this product. I love to have lists in here, and yeah, different lists I can use. But I have to say, I don't have such a huge family where we make presents and gift one to each other. So there are not many kids, and therefore for me it's a bit of a lot of pages. So as you can see, I only had for my better half, my stepson, we bought some more gifts, but I didn't wrote them down in the end. So yeah, there are some more pages empty, and you could use this one if you don't have a huge family. You could use it for like several years, I think. And this is nice. And then this part of it, I'm not sure about this part of it, because I had the monthly plan book from Planner Perfect, and December was so busy last year, or is a busy time, I think, for everyone. I couldn't fill my monthly plan book pages as I intended to. So there were empty pages, and as you can see, I only journaled about 2 days, and that's it. So I wasn't sure how to use both the Christmas planner and my monthly plan book together, because I also do memory keeping in my monthly plan book. So for me, this part was a little bit overwhelming. And yeah, so this year I have some more ideas how to use this Christmas planner to fit my needs, and I actually put down some thoughts. So for example, I was thinking about using this Christmas planner to write down some of my favorite movies, which I always love to watch in Christmas time, my favorite songs, some favorite meals. Maybe I can also add some recipes in here. Maybe I could do a kind of a gift list for the gifts I receive myself. And then I was also thinking about journaling, but journaling a little bit in a different way, like journaling with prompts. So maybe there will be some journaling prompts from journaling home for Christmas time, for December in general. And maybe I could also add some memories of our family traditions, and because there are some traditions that unfortunately had stopped, and because of my grandparents passed away, and maybe it's the time where I could use this beautiful Christmas planner to keep the memories about our traditional Christmas time together, and remember the time with my grandparents. And I kind of get emotional when talking about it, so I'm sorry. I'm not sure if 2021 is the year I can write about it, because it's a little bit too I'm still a little bit too emotional, because it's kind of my first Christmas knowing my grandparents from my mother's side won't be there anymore, and so the whole Christmas day will, yeah, found an end. And so yeah, it's kind of difficult to explain my emotions and thoughts in English, so sorry, so excuse me. I was just feeling like this could be an addition to this planner, and to use up the journaling pages in here. And yeah, hopefully I can fill this beautiful planner. If not 2021, then maybe 2022, maybe filling it with some new traditions. And yeah, that's about the Planner Perfect Christmas Planner. If you are wondering if you should buy it or not, well, I would say so maybe that showing you this planner helps you with a decision if you want to buy the Christmas planner or not. I would say, yeah, you can easily fill several years in it, and you can make it your own if you like to. So yeah, that's my thoughts about the Christmas planner. And now I just wanted to show you the holiday recipes planner. This is, as you can see, yeah, on a side note, this is a wide size, and this one is a B6 size. I bought this one in B6 because my plan was to start kind of B6 TN only for recipes, and so I wanted to start with holiday recipes, so that's what I chose for. And she's so beautiful. Yeah, but when I received it, so last year, I don't know, I'm not sure if that's the right size for me, especially for recipes. In German we have to write a little bit more, or the words are longer, so this maybe is a little bit too small for everything. But yeah, I just put down a recipe from my grandma, and which I wanted to yeah, add in. Maybe I could easily tape it in. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I will keep this one or buy another one at a later time in the wide size, maybe, because I can imagine that this will be a much better size for my needs. And yeah, so that's this little book, so you have a lot of space for every recipe you wanna have in here. All right, that's a little review of my Christmas planner and the recipes book from Planner Perfect. And yeah, I'm looking forward to use this one, hopefully in a more useful way, and yeah, looking ahead of the holiday time. All right, you guys, that's it. If you have any questions about Planner Perfect or the planners, just let me know, and see you next time. Bye.